It is of a great pride and deep gratitude that I address this distinguished gathering at 50th anniversary of ECOWAS today. We celebrate not only 5 decades of history, but the enduring spirit of unity, resilience, and shared destiny that defines our community. In 1975, our founding father leaders envisioned a West Africa where borders unite rather than divide, a region of free movement, thriving trade, and peaceful coexistence. That vision is still alive today. We thank God. We have the thinkers. We have the wise men. We have the opportunity. Today we pay tribute to all who have nurtured it, especially you, General Dr. Yakubu Gowon, GCFR, our only surviving father, and a symbol of this historic journey. I salute past and present head of states, government within the community for upholding the values of integration, cooperation, and solidarity. I commend our former executive secretaries and commission presidents who have helped the leadership build the ECOWAS into a formidable force for peace, progress, stability, and love among our members. I also recognize the tireless work of ECOWAS Commission, staff, and institutions. Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, ECOWAS is a beacon of African unity. In overcoming colonial policies, legacies, we brought together Anglophone, Francophone, and Lesothophone nations under one vision, an achievement of global significance. Yes, our diversity is moving for our unity and stability. Our region has pioneered the free movement, expanded inter-trade, regional trade, and deepened integration through instruments like the ECOWAS Trade Liberalization Scheme and joint border posts. These measures have facilitated business, cultural exchanges, and mobility across West Africa. On peace and security, ECOWAS has acted decisively to restore constitutional order and counter instability. Our regional cooperation on counter-terrorism and financial crime, including through GIABA, reflect our shared commitment to peace and safety. In governance, ECOWAS has upheld democratic norms through election observation, mediation, and institutions such as ECOWAS Parliament and Court of Justice, cementing accountability, rule of law, and people-centered governance. In agriculture and infrastructure, we have launched bold strategies to address our food security and drive our regional development. The ECOWAS Infrastructure Master Plan 2020 to 2045 provide a framework for connectivity, trade, and prosperity. On ICT and digitalization, we are embracing innovation to drive growth from internet exchanges, platforms like EcoGo, which strengthen gender reporting and regional accountability. Despite our progress, challenges remain. Our greatest task now is implementation. We are lagging behind on implementation. And I urge all member states to match policy with action. Let us, our citizens, feel the real impact of our shared efforts. Our young people, and women who form the majority must be at the heart of ECOWAS development. We must invest deliberately in their education, entrepreneurship, healthcare, and leadership. We must mentor them. Their success is the key to the future and stability, prosperity of ECOWAS. For nearly 40 years, Nigeria has supported regional capacity building through technical aid corps. We remain committed to deploy skilled professionals to ECOWAS countries, and we continue to honor every eligible request, I promise you. Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, as we look forward to the next 50 years, let us renew our compact with one another with courage, clarity, respect, and determination. That we will promote trade, we will promote unity, we will conquer all forms of challenges, that is terrorism, banditry, and hatred. The work of integration is never done. Each generation must carry the flame forward, lighting the path of unity and shared progress for those who come after. They are all here. The youths. Let us imagine a West Africa where no child is denied opportunity because of where they were born or how they were born. Where our borders are zones of cooperation, not conflict. Where our economies thrive through joint effort. Where our people diverse yet bond destiny. Work together towards peace, prosperity, and justice. This Golden Jubilee is not merely a celebration of the past, but a summons to shape the future. Commanding us to say, let us draw strength from our history, courage from our struggles, and hope from our shared potential. In our unity lies our power, in our solidarity, our success. To the people of West Africa, this is your community, your hands, and build it Your effort, your vision saw it. Your resilience sustained it. Your dreams will define what it becomes. You must stand tall. The future belongs to us all. Yes, on behalf of the government and the people of Nigeria, I reaffirm our enduring commitment to ECOWAS, the ideal that it represents is great for us. It's very inspiring. It's part of a renewed hope agenda. To you generations coming, we are here to mentor you, to hand over to you, like one line in our item. We want to hand a banner without stain to you, the youth of West Africa. Long live ECOWAS. Long live West Africa. Long live African unity and African Union. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you.
At these ordinary and extraordinary summits held across the capital cities of member states, the leaders take the decision